everybody. I'm on a boat. So we're playing a gig today. That's Andy. We're playing a gig today on the Isle of Wight. So we've just spent 4 hours driving down, and we've just got on the ferry, and it's like a 40-minute crossing. We're literally just pulling into the Isle of Wight now. Very nice. I've obviously got this. Yeah, so I don't know if there'll be much to see, because we'll be off the boat in the car to the venue, and that'll be it. But I'll take you along with me anyway, and it's nice. It's been a nice little crossing. It's a beautiful day, and yeah, so I'm going to go and drink my coffee, and we're going to go and find the vehicles, and I'll check in with you all later. Till we go on stage. We've had a bit of a mare, if I'm honest. Just some technical difficulties. I think that's probably the polite way of saying it, but yeah, we've had a few problems. Everyone's feeling a bit sort of down, if I'm honest. Everyone's a bit flat, but it's one of those things that you just got to, there's not much we can do about it now, so we just need to kind of suck it up and do the gig. We've eaten, which is something, and I'm just about to go and start getting ready to go on stage, so keep everything crossed for us for tonight. We really don't know how it's going to go, but like I say, it is what it is. We can't do anything about it now, and we just have to work the best with what we're dealt. And that's probably the most polite way of saying it. But yeah, I'll check back in with you after the gig and fill you in, and hopefully we'll play the whole set and won't like stop halfway through. We won't stop halfway through.
Oh, look at her. But no, but don't look at just her. Look at the amazing shoes of wonderment. Oh, you give Dorothy a run for her money.
Well done, mate.
Well, we did it. That just about sums it up. We got through it. We did it. We're just packing down now and loading the van to go back to the hotel. I mean, to be fair, Jonathan's dancing. And yeah, it went okay, actually, surprisingly. But yeah, it was stress we didn't need, but we've done it, and they seem to enjoy it. So I'm better go and help pack down. Well, good morning, friends. We are back at the port, ready to sail back to the mainland. Slept okay. It's a beautiful day again. Really, really lovely. It's been an experience. It's been an adventure. We're back here again later in the year, so yeah, just hope the weather holds out. Looks like it's going to be a nice calm crossing, so fingers crossed. home. So I decided that I was going to drive home with the roof down because it's really sunny. And my hair's gone a bit crazy. It doesn't look it now because I've sorted it out a bit, but I looked like Robert Smith from The Cure when I got home. It was fun though. It was fun. Yeah, so I'm home, relaxing now. I am become potato, and I think it's time to eat something and just chill out now. It's Saturday and we're not gigging tonight, which I'm kind of relieved about. So I've got the whole rest of the day to relax and the whole rest of tomorrow to relax as well, which is so nice. The older I get, the more I love doing absolutely nothing. So I'm going to sign off from this vlog for now, and hope everyone is good, and hope you enjoyed this one with its trauma. I wish I could tell you more about it really, but I can't. It's very unprofessional if I do that. So suffice to say that it wasn't the most relaxing of gigs. But anyway, thanks for coming along on the journey, and I'll see you in the next one.